All right, how to breathe correctly. So first of all, it's always breathing through the nose, never through the mouth. Our noses are not just for smelling, they're also for breathing. And by breathing through the nose, we naturally slow down our breathing rhythm. So our breaths become slower, more calm. An important aspect for our health. Breathing through our noses also warms up the air in our lungs. It also filters the air. And it also produces nitric oxide, which is an important molecule for our overall health. Another super important thing is our posture. Like a lot of people slouch like this. Me myself, I'm a big sloucher. I sit at computer a lot, And it's important to sit up straight. Like one easy exercise for straightening your back is closing and opening your arms like this. You can try to move out your shoulder blades. And by sitting up straight, standing up straight, walking straight, we are creating an easier breathing canal to our diaphragm. So, but only by sitting up straight, we are able to breathe correctly through our diaphragm. And if you place one hand on the chest and one hand on the diaphragm, you can feel where are you breathing in. A lot of people breathe through the chest, which is wrong because breathing through the chest activates the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for fight or flight mode, and breathing through the diaphragm activates, on the other hand, the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digest. So by having a straight posture and by breathing in through our nose, we maybe automatically even just start breathing correctly. And it's not easy to change your breathing pattern, especially if you have been breathing through your chest all your life. But just try to remember, it's really simple steps. Close your mouth, breathe through the nose, sit up straight, and try to once in a while check in, where is the breath going in.